Hi everyone, it's Miss Rhonda. Today I wanted to remind everyone to be aware of how much sugar you're getting in your diet, especially the added sugars. So we're going to measure out some sugar in a few of the items we might snack on during the day. First we're going to start out with a bowl of lightly sweetened cereal. There's only 1/2 of a teaspoon of sugar and a cup and a half of that kind of cereal. Then we'll measure some sugar in our apple juice, and even though it's natural sugars, it still adds up. An apple would be a better choice because of the fiber. There are 7.5 teaspoons of sugar in that bottle of apple juice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1/2 teaspoons of sugar in the apple juice. Next, we might try a little Debbie cake or a little cake that we might find. There are 7 teaspoons of sugar in that little snack cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And finally, we may have a can of soda of some type. So there are 11.5 teaspoons of sugar in that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11.5 teaspoons of sugar in that soda. So now, all in all, we have 26.5 teaspoons of sugar in our diet from just these foods alone. And so you can see that that really will add up. That's 397 calories from sugar by itself. No nutrients in this, remember. That's about double what the U.S. Dietary Guidelines recommends. So just be aware of what you're snacking on. Try not to get so much sugar. Y'all stay healthy.